Good day, my wonderful people, and welcome to this channel. Now, this one is a very serious matter. As Yoruba Nation agitator Sunday Igboho sets date for mega rally to actualize Yoruba Nation, he's already taking some extra move for the independence of the Yoruba Nation. Sunday Igboho is not joking at all concerning the Yoruba Nation pulling out. He's not joking. Most of our political leaders also, they are not in support of this secession, including President Muhammadu Buhari. Recall that Buhari told Nigerians to be united because Nigerians cannot afford another civil war in this time. So, what Sunday Igboho replied was, "We are for peace and not war, and we are not going to cause another kind of civil war." That was Igboho's response to Buhari. Well, as it seems now, the Yoruba Nation, under the leadership of Igboho, is making serious moves to make sure they get their independence. Please subscribe to this channel if you are watching this video so you won't miss out on any important news updates from us. Thank you. So the reason why Igboho is really serious about all this independence stuff is because it's because of the killings going on in Nigeria. He bemoaned the killings going on in Nigeria. According to him, he said enough is enough. Let's break up now and put a stop to these killings. So breaking up is now the only solution to put an end to all the bad happenings in the country. Now let's have the news. Yoruba Nation agitator Sunday Igboho sets date for mega rally to actualize Yoruba Nation. Secessionist agitator Sunday Adeyemo Igboho has scheduled a date and a location for a mega rally aimed at the actualization of the proposed Yoruba Nation. Igboho, in a statement on Tuesday by his spokesperson Olayomi Koiki, disclosed that the mega rally will take place at Trafalgar Square, London, United Kingdom, on August 13, 2022. The Yoruba Nation agitator charged Yoruba indigents in the UK and its environs to come out and participate in the rally. According to him, the Yoruba Nation must break away from Nigeria to avert further attacks and killing, adding that the amount of bloodshed in the region is alarming. The statement read in part, "The amount of bloodshed in our land is alarming, and life is becoming unbearable to all Yorubas due to the Fînàlly government that is bent of going Ruga water bill in order to ensure they grab ours via the back door." This message goes to every Yoruba in the UK and its environs. Enough is enough. Break up now and put a stop to the killings. We have now been asked to go out there and dance to the glory of God for the world to see, and that is exactly what we are going to do on the 13th of August 2022 with drums and trumpets by the special grace of God. The time is now. The time is 11:30 a.m. Thank you. Igboho was quoted as saying in the statement fixing the Yoruba Nation rally, according to him, the Yoruba Nation must break away from Nigeria to avert further attacks and killings, adding that the amount of bloodshed in the region is alarming. So that's just it. You won't just blame these people for their secessionist agitations because the country is currently sitting in a keg of gunpowder. It's about to explode very soon. So you won't just blame them. The killings, the insecurity, poverty, everything is just too much. So moving on, Igboho bemoaned the spate of unrest in the country, noting that he would continue to educate the people for Yoruba to break away from the nation. The statement said, "We don't think anyone should talk about the election with the insecurity in Yoruba land as the fake 1999 constitution. Yoruba should think of having our own independent nation and reclaim back our rights. We won't force anyone that wants election, just as we did not during Osun and Ekiti, but we will continue to educate our people about the union of 1914 amalgamation that was forced on 371 ethnic groups in what's called Nigeria today. Secessionist agitator Sunday Adeyemo has scheduled a date and a location for a mega rally aimed at the actualization of the proposed Yoruba nation. Chief remains in high spirits and he will continue to want a peaceful exit of the Yoruba people from Nigeria. Whatever Chief said is now happening in Yoruba land. With the situation of things, Nigeria can't have peace. Why? We don't have union and unity because we are all different. Having the Yoruba nation is a priority and won't take the rights of other indigenous people that want to live on our land. So far, our constitution is respected. We are also looking forward to the next United Nations General Assembly for the next protest. 5 million petitions have now been completed. Our campaign remains peaceful according to the United Nations Rights of the Indigenous People. Okay, so based on everything they said that the Yoruba nation is supposed to be independent because we weren't that way before. It was the colonialists, the people that colonized us at first, that joined us together, that is causing all this confusion that's happening now. So, according to the agitators, it's time for them to undo it. It's time for them to undo it because so far, nothing has come out of it. Nothing has come out of the union. Nothing has come out of the amalgamation. There is no unity, no understanding because we are all different. We are all different. The amalgamation was just imposed on 371 ethnic groups, and since then, nothing has come out of it. Alright, my people, let's take comments. Firstone Ife Nweke said, "We shall crush you people down if you attempt to establish your so-called Yoruba nation anywhere in the world. You people connive with the Fînàlly to fight other ethnic group in Nigeria, and you are talking rubbish. Sunday Igboho is a terrorist and should not be allowed to return to Nigeria. Those of us from the Niger Delta will not allow any rubbish Yoruba nation." Well, that's not what we are talking about. We are talking about the insecurity that has plagued our country, that has prompted these people to make their decisions. So you won't just blame them. Look at what is happening in our country now. Our country is in a despicable state, and our government don't care about it. So that's what prompted these people to take such action. Jesu Tofumi said, "You a liar." Bakari Cherry said, "Thank God Niger Delta are minority." This one is anonymous. He said, "Why doing it in London? This guy, Sha, our ego square is there. Leave our country, but going to another country for the rallies is madness." Dotty said, "They are cowards. Simple, now only mouth you people get, no action at all." Jefta said, "Keep quiet and talk more about those raping and killing blind folks." Mike Adeyinka said, "May God of your ancestors be with you." Alright, my people, there are so many comments here, but I'm going to stop here. And let me know what your take is on this matter. And also, do not forget to subscribe and turn your notifications on so you'll be alerted when a new one drops. Thank you and bye for now.